Now, in the month of May, we brought you a report on how children in Nigeria are coping with the new normal of learning during the pandemic. That report revealed how most of these children are having hard times adjusting to the new classroom settings. Mercy Frank takes us on another journey with two teachers who have taken learnings from the physical classroom to a virtual one. Here's how the conversation went.
Nigeria's education sector seemed to be one of the most affected by the pandemic. With schools under lock and key for close to 3 months now and no confirmed date of resumption, virtual learning is the only way out. But some children are finding it difficult to adjust to the virtual classroom style. Their teachers have to come to the rescue. Aderonke is a mechanical engineer who loves to teach primary school children. Her passion is to ensure children understand and love mathematics. She's based in Ogun State with her husband and children. For her, the pandemic affords her the opportunity to take her classroom online. Her mathematics YouTube channel is one of her platforms. As for Damilare, she is passionate about helping pupils converse in Yoruba language. As a graduate of Yoruba language and a master's degree holder in literature in Yoruba, she takes her home lessons online. She teaches live on Instagram and holds online masterclasses for parents on how to help the children understand the indigenous language. These two women are leveraging this season. They believe it is an opportunity to improve learning in Nigeria.
This experience is actually new. No one planned for it. Okay, so before the pandemic started, usually go to parents' house to teach their children. I don't teach in classroom, but I go to people's house to teach their children how to converse in Yoruba language, the basics of Yoruba language. But knockdown, I can't go out. And that is where I do, that's the only way I can teach the children.
I am a teacher. I teach in the classroom before now. But when the pandemic started, it's something that we didn't plan for. And so my school looked at it that we don't want a situation whereby the children would lack so much during this holiday. So we decided to start the online class.
What are the creative ways that you can begin to use to teach children to ensure that they understand learning well during this pandemic?
Picture also works very well, especially now that we are not in class. When in class, we want to use chat, so we use more of pictures, and also we try to relate whatever we are teaching with their daily activities. So if I'm talking about money, I want to relate it with, when you go to the supermarket, how do you buy things, how do you get your change?
What are the challenges you have gone through moving your class from the physical building to online?
Sometimes parents will call to say they want to reschedule their class, and we are already set. Sometimes the internet.
What do you think will be the future of learning in Nigeria?
I think one of the things that this pandemic has done is to open our eyes to technological ways of doing things.
There should be a new training for classroom teachers. You can teach what you know with a laptop. Just sit with it and then you learn.
Putting Nigeria's education system on the map is everyone's responsibility. These women have proven that the time to get it right is now. Mercy Frank, reporting for Perspectives in Lagos.